Alright, so here's a SAT question. One that has to do with coordinate geometry, one in which we have two lines. We have line Q in red and line M in yellow, and they're on the XY plane. What the question really wants from us is that we're supposed to find the x-intercept of line Q. So I want to know what is the coordinate here. The y value is 0 because we're on the x-axis. So on the x-axis, the y value is always 0. I also know that right here is where this is the origin, so this is 0, 0. So with this information, I can approach this problem like more than one ways. We could use slope to do it, as well as I could use the length of line. I feel like I want to use the length of line to approach this question. The length of line has to do with the Pythagorean theorem. We're seeing a right angle here, which means the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse side. We could call it C for now. And then these could be A and B, okay? So remember the theory for Pythagoras theorem, it suggests that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. We can use this idea to find this point here that is missing. Okay, let's handle that. First, I'm going to label my points. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So I'm going to set up this formula and then try to find this missing value here. So the length of this line, I'll be using x1, y1, x2, y2. And the formula suggests that the length of this line suggests that. And then now it's going to equal to this length plus that length squared, right? Let's go. All right, so we would have substituted there. All we're going to do now is to just roll this out, okay? X minus 0 squared, so this is just x squared. 0 minus 0 squared, that is still 0, so I'm right here. This is equal to 5 minus 0 squared. This is going to give me 25. And this is 12 minus 0 squared, that is plus 144. 5 minus x squared, so this is squaring a binomial, so basically I'm going to square the first term, that's 25. I'm going to multiply negative x times 5, that's going to give me negative 5x, then I double, that's negative 10x. And then negative 10 squared is positive x squared. And then 12 minus 0 squared is 144. Now let's bring it all together. Let's take a look. If we look here, we'll have x squared here, which is equal to 25 plus 144 plus 25 plus 144. This is going to give me 338. And then negative 10 is here. 10x and then plus x squared. At this moment, my x squares are on either side, so I could get rid of the x squares. So I could take these out because it's the same on both sides. So what I'm really left with is, this is what I'm left with now. I'm left with 0, which is equal to 338 minus 10x. So let me get this 10x on the other side. So if I add 10x to both sides, this is going to be 10x, which is equal to 338. So to find x, which is this, I divide both sides by 10. X is 33.8. And that is this. So what are we suggesting? All I'm saying is, this coordinate is really 33.8 with x. That's